Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get refund on Doordash. So let me open up my Doordash. So I'm here on my Doordash. So if you want to get a refund, you can get a refund for a completed order and an order that's not delivered yet. So if your order is not delivered, then you can simply cancel it and get a refund. To do so, you just simply go to your orders tab here and then select the order, and then if that order is not delivered yet or you just place the order, then you'll have the cancel option here and you just need to hit on the cancel option and then follow the prompts, and that's it. Refund will be issued mostly instantly. Okay, so that's pretty easy because your order has not been delivered yet, so that's fine. But if your order has been completed, if your order has been completed or delivered, but you have some issue with that order, for example, it's missing food or incorrect food, or sometimes the food never arrived. So in those cases, what you can do, you simply go to your orders tab here, select the order that you wish to get a refund or you have an issue with, and then what you have to do when you open that order, so when you open the order, you will see a help button in the top right corner. So just click on it, and then all you have to do is there will be a list of order issues, so you just have to select the one that suits you best. For example, if it's a missing food or incorrect food or no delivery, if no one delivers it at all, so just choose that. And then once you choose that, then all you have to do is select the prompts. So for example, if it's a missing item, select missing item and then select what is missing and then hit submit. So what happens, a customer service representative will get in contact with you and they will sort out the issue, whether it's a refund or a redelivery or a partial refund. They will work it out with you, or else if it's an incorrect food or if there's no delivery, then they will also, what you just need to go to the help option there on the top right and then select the issue that you're having with, and then you will just need to follow a series of prompts and it will connect you to a customer service representative who will then able to help you out with your query or with your issue. So that's how we can claim for a refund in Doordash. So hope this information is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.